Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Pathogenicity of Streptococcus. So, in the Streptococcus, for the suppurative lesions first, group A Streptococcus is most common agent for pharyngitis or sore throat. So, because group A Streptococcus is more common agent for pharyngitis and sore throat, it is associated with lower M types. Then group A Streptococcus is also important in scarlet fever. In scarlet fever, it can cause pharyngitis, sandpaper rashes, strawberry tongue can occur. Pistia lines are seen in the scarlet fever, and this scarlet fever is mainly due to the erythrogenic toxin or Dick test. So, in scarlet fever, the child presents with pharyngitis, sandpaper, rashes, and strawberry tongue. Pistia lines are seen with prominent rashes in the skin fold. And this scarlet fever is mainly due to this erythrogenic toxin, which here in scarlet fever, Dick test is found to be positive. Actually, what is Dick test? So, in Dick test, if you see, right, in Dick test, first we will in the on the forearm of the patient, we will inject intradermally the erythrogenic toxin. Okay, when you inject intradermally the erythrogenic toxin, you will see that there is erythema is developed in the child. This states that the child is susceptible to erythrogenic toxin. So here you will see presence of one more important thing is strawberry tongue. Okay, strawberry tongue is seen in scarlet fever, and one more strawberry tongue is also seen in Kawasaki's disease also. But the difference is in scarlet fever you will see white strawberry tongue is seen in scarlet fever, whereas in Kawasaki's disease you will see red strawberry tongue is seen in Kawasaki disease. Pistia lines are prominent rashes which are seen on skin folds are seen in scarlet fever. And one more important thing is Cult's reaction is also important in scarlet fever, where if you give the erythrogenic this toxin antibody, this anti-erythrogenic toxin, if you give to the patient, then the patient's rashes which are present they becomes blanched. So that is Skull's reaction, which is also seen in scarlet fever.
thank you and thank you for watching.